Hi guys, today we're going to be doing Bougainville. If you don't know what Bougainville is, basically this country in Oceania that is currently owned by Papua New Guinea, but will gain independence in, I think, 1.5 years or 2 years. So I need to up my Bougainville knowledge so I can do well. Okay, first question, what is the official name of Bougainville's government? Now, Bougainville isn't a country yet, so I don't think it would be autonomous. Maybe they would, just to say to Papua New Guinea. Maybe, maybe this Bougainville Provincial Authority, but I feel like it's this one, right? Bougainville Regional Council. So let's see if I'm right. Okay, it didn't say if I was right. Oh, actually, you get the results at the end. So next, which island group does Bougainville belong to? The Solomon Islands archipelago? I don't think so. I mean, it is part of New Guinea. Actually, no, it's not part of New. Actually, maybe, but this is kind of confusing. Maybe Solomon Islands, but I don't think so. I'm gonna say New Guinea. What is the primary export of Bougainville? Oh, I think is it gold? That's the reason they want to get independence because Papua New Guinea is just using them for gold, I think. Also, guys, remember to subscribe. Just please subscribe. Okay, I accidentally picked Buka Island. What is the name of the largest island in Bougainville? Then Bougainville Island. Seems kind of obvious. Which year did Bougainville hold its independence referendum? I think it's one of these 2 years. I'm gonna say 2018. I think they did 2 times, right? What is the name of the traditional currency used in Bougainville? Traditional. Tok, Pisin, coins, Bougainville, Kina. I mean, that's kind of obvious, but does it mean like traditional, like what the native people use? I feel like it would be shell money, but I'm just gonna say that. What is the climate of Bougainville? It's definitely tropical, but which one is it? I'm gonna say tropical rainforest. Which ethnic group forms the majority in Bougainville? I feel like it would be the Polynesians, right? Is Micronesians the difference? I'm not quite sure. I think Polynesians, right? What is the name of the largest river in Bougainville? Okay, I don't know anything. Which one sounds Bougainville? Markham River, Fly River, maybe this one, Sepik River. What is the primary mode of transport in Bougainville? I'm not quite sure. I think it's railways. It could be roads, roads are everywhere. And that's not a good thing, but I feel like it would be railways. Traditional dance in Bougainville? I really don't know. I'm just gonna say that one. Which neighboring island is closest to Bougainville? I don't know. Isn't there like many islands? I really don't know anything. I mean, Book Island's here 2 times, so maybe Book Island. What is the name of the traditional feast celebrated in Bougainville? How am I supposed to know this? Seriously. Which one? I guess actually cocoa harvest? Maybe the other question was cocoa actually. What is the name of the largest lake in Bougainville? I'm not actually quite sure. I mean, this one sounds Bougainville, I guess. What is the main staple food in Bougainville? I mean, maybe cassavas? Breadfruit? What is that? Does that even exist? Sounds very weird. Rice? I mean, it makes sense, rice, but I'm gonna say rice. Okay, finish quiz. Let's see the answers. I scored 27. Well, I am really bad. Okay, of course, autonomous. Of course, they're autonomous, okay? So let's see. New Guinea. It is part of the Solomon Islands archipelago. I just thought that they're not part of the Solomon Islands. But of course, Coco. I should have known that. Yeah, okay, good. That was kind of obvious. 2019, I said either one of these. Shell money? Okay, good, actually, I got that right. Tropical rainforest, good. Melanesians? Don't even know what those are. Java River. I had no idea there. Road transport. Obviously, it's road transport. Really, everywhere you should say road transport. Okay. It's Sing Sing. I had no idea there. Buka. Actually, I got that right. Yes, it was a good guess. Cocoa Harvest Festival. Yeah, I should have known that. Lake Kutuba, I guess not right. Sweet potatoes. Okay, yeah, I did very badly. Okay, here's our next quiz. What is the highest peak in Bougainville? I don't know this. Now I think Bougainville was colonized by the British, but I don't think they would really name it Victoria. I guess maybe the other things, but I don't think this. I'm gonna say Mount Balby. Which mineral resource was a major factor in Bougainville's economic and political history? Okay, what was the other one? Really forgot. I guess it was gold, right? When did Bougainville officially become an autonomous region of Papua New Guinea? Okay, maybe 2010? I feel like it will be somewhere in the middle. Why isn't this the same as the referendum? I'm gonna say 2005. Okay, what is the population? I'm not quite sure. Probably this one, right? Which body of water separates Bougainville from the Solomon Islands? The Bismarck Sea. This one is in the other one. I don't. This one also makes sense, but I feel like the Solomon Islands are bigger. What is the name of the active volcano located on Bougainville? We had this one before, so hopefully I got that one right. Who was the first European? Louis Antonio de Bougainville. And Bougainville doesn't sound Bougainvillese, so it's probably this actually. What is the primary religion? I'm not quite sure. It's definitely not these two. I don't think it's that one, so it has to be this one. What was the main cause of the Bougainville Civil War? Dispute over mining revenues. I don't actually know that one. What is the name of the peace agreement that ended the Bougainville Civil War? Bougainville Peace Treaty. What percentage of voters supported independence? I think it was 98%. This is a very specific number. I think it was that high, right? Which traditional art form is commonly practiced in Bougainville? I mean, it sounds like it would be weaving. What is the currency used in Bougainville? Didn't we have this before? It was the Bougainville Kina, right? Okay, which neighboring country is closest to Bougainville? It's Papua New Guinea. I mean, they would have gotten me if they put Papua New Guinea, but I guess Solomon Islands. What is the main economic activity in Bougainville rural areas? I guess fishing? What would it be? Can't even read. Rural. I feel like I'm saying that wrong. Mining? I don't think so. Probably fishing. Okay, let's see what I got. I don't think it will be as bad as the other one. Okay, yeah, I actually got 60%. That's a pass, right? It is. I hope it is, please. I got that one right. Okay, it was copper. Okay, so 2005, I got that one right. Got that one right. Bougainville Strait. Okay. Next one, Mount Balby. Mount Pagana. I guess it wouldn't be the same. The mountain and the volcano. That was kind of dumb. Louis Antonio de Bougainville. That makes sense. Bougainville doesn't sound Bougainvillese. Okay, what? Is that really true? I did not expect that. Dispute over mining revenues, yes. Okay, it was the bait one, also bait one. Okay, I got that one right. What? Wasn't it just the other one? I'm so confused. Solomon Islands. What? Agriculture? Okay, I guess so. And yeah, guess I did fine. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe, please. And if you like the video, then please like. And yeah, bye. Just subscribe. Subscribe. Like, I think 100% of you aren't. So you better.